A golden symphony, honey and the harmony of nature. Honey, a golden nectar, embodies the delicate balance between humans and nature. This liquid gold, crafted by industrious bees, has sweetened our lives for millennia. The journey from flower to jar is a testament to the intricate dance of life. It highlights the vital role bees play in our ecosystem. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of honey production. We'll explore the dedication and skill required to create this liquid treasure. Honey production is a global endeavor. Millions of tons of honey are produced annually. This industry thrives on the tireless work of billions of bees. These remarkable creatures pollinate crops, ensuring food security for countless people. Yet, the world of beekeeping faces challenges that demand our attention. In this essay, we'll journey inside the world's largest honey farms. We'll uncover the secrets behind their massive production. We'll also examine the challenges faced by beekeepers. Finally, we'll explore the diverse uses of honey and its importance in our world. Adi Honey Farms, a legacy of liquid gold. Our journey begins in the heart of the United States. Adi Honey Farms, a family-owned business, stands as a testament to dedication and passion. Founded in 1957 by brothers Richard and Stanley Adi, the farm started modestly with 1,500 hives in Bruce, South Dakota. Their father, Vernon Adi, had introduced them to beekeeping during the Great Depression. It was a way to supplement their income. Over the decades, Adi Honey Farms blossomed into the largest beekeeping operation in the United States. Their commitment to quality and their deep respect for the bees have been the cornerstones of their success. Today, their operations span multiple states. This includes a breeding yard in Mississippi and crucial pollination activities in California's almond orchards. What began as a small family endeavor has grown into an industry giant. Adi Honey Farms exemplifies the power of hard work, sustainable practices, and a deep-rooted love for the craft. The Adi family's commitment to producing real premium honey resonates in every jar. They represent the very best of American beekeeping. From hive to jar, the honey extraction process. The honey extraction process is a marvel of efficiency. It's a testament to the beekeeper's understanding of these fascinating creatures. The journey begins with the queen bee. She is the heart of the hive. Adi Honey Farms carefully selects queen bee larvae from their strongest colonies. These larvae are meticulously incubated. This ensures the next generation of bees is healthy and productive. Within 10 to 12 days, the larvae transform into queen bees. They are ready to lead their own colonies. Beekeepers use a gentle touch and a bit of smoke to calm the bees. This allows them to safely remove the honeycomb frames. These frames are brimming with golden nectar. The frames are carefully transported to specialized factories. Here, spinning drums extract the honey using centrifugal force. This method ensures that the honeycomb remains intact. Before bottling, the honey undergoes rigorous inspection. This guarantees its quality and purity. The honey is then allowed to rest for several days. This allows it to achieve the perfect consistency. From the hive to your table, every step in the honey extraction process is designed to preserve the natural goodness and flavor of this liquid gold. Global honey production, a world buzzing with activity. Honey production is a global endeavor. It's a testament to the vital role bees play in our ecosystem. China stands as the world's leading honey producer. With over 9 million beehives, they produce an astounding 466,600 tons of honey annually. Turkey follows closely behind, producing 94,700 tons of honey each year. Other significant honey-producing nations include Iran, Ukraine, and the Russian Federation. The United States, while not the top producer, still plays a crucial role in the global honey market. Honey production varies greatly depending on climate, bee species, and beekeeping practices. The global demand for honey continues to rise. This highlights the importance of sustainable beekeeping practices. Protecting bee populations and their habitats is crucial for ensuring a sweet future. Section 5. The buzz on market trends. Apiculture on the rise. The global apiculture market is abuzz with activity. Valued at $11.15 billion in 2023, it's projected to reach $18.59 billion by 2032. This represents a healthy compound annual growth rate, or KGR, of 5.9%. The Asia-Pacific region dominates the market, accounting for 35.7% of global apiculture revenue. Several factors contribute to this growth. Increasing consumer awareness of the health benefits of honey is a significant driver. Honey is a natural sweetener, packed with antioxidants and antibacterial properties. It's also gaining popularity as a key ingredient in skincare products. Furthermore, government initiatives, such as the Pollinator Protection Initiative in the United States, are supporting the apiculture industry. These initiatives aim to protect bee populations and promote sustainable beekeeping practices. The future of apiculture looks bright, with continued growth and innovation expected in the years to come. Section 6. The Sting of Reality: Challenges Facing Beekeepers. While the apiculture industry thrives, it faces significant challenges. Colony collapse disorder, or CCD, is a major concern for beekeepers worldwide. This phenomenon, characterized by the sudden disappearance of worker bees from a hive, has devastating consequences for honey production and pollination. The causes of CCD are complex and not fully understood. However, several factors contribute to the problem, including pesticide exposure, habitat loss, and climate change. Pesticides, particularly neonicotinoids, have been linked to bee deaths and colony losses. Habitat loss, driven by urbanization and deforestation, deprives bees of their natural foraging grounds. Climate change, with its unpredictable weather patterns, further stresses bee colonies. Addressing these challenges is crucial for the survival of bees and the sustainability of the apiculture industry. Section 7. Beyond the hive. Honey's diverse uses and benefits. Honey, a versatile gift from nature, offers a myriad of uses and benefits. Beyond its culinary uses as a natural sweetener, honey has been valued for its medicinal properties for centuries. Raw honey is rich in antioxidants, enzymes, and amino acids, making it a nutritional powerhouse. Honey's antibacterial and antimicrobial properties make it an effective natural remedy for soothing sore throats and coughs. It's also been shown to promote wound healing and reduce inflammation. In recent years, honey has gained popularity as a natural skincare ingredient. Its moisturizing and humectant properties make it ideal for hydrating and nourishing the skin. Honey is also a natural exfoliant, gently removing dead skin cells to reveal a brighter complexion. From the kitchen to the medicine cabinet, honey's versatility and benefits are truly remarkable. Section 8. A toast to the keepers of liquid gold. The journey of honey, from the hive to our tables, is a testament to the hard work and dedication of beekeepers worldwide. These individuals, often working long hours in challenging conditions, are the unsung heroes of the apiculture industry. They possess a deep understanding of bees and their behavior, carefully managing hives to ensure their health and productivity. Beekeepers face numerous challenges, from unpredictable weather patterns to the threat of pests and diseases. Yet, their passion for their craft and their commitment to sustainable practices shine through. They are the stewards of a vital industry, ensuring the pollination of crops and the production of honey, a golden nectar enjoyed by millions. Their knowledge and expertise are essential for maintaining the delicate balance between humans and nature. As we savor the sweet taste of honey, let us take a moment to appreciate the tireless efforts of beekeepers, the true keepers of liquid gold. Section 9. Sweet Thoughts and a Call to Action. Our journey into the world of honey production has revealed the intricate processes, dedication, and challenges behind this golden nectar. From the bustling hives of Adee honey farms to the global apiculture market, honey's journey is a testament to the interconnectedness of nature and human endeavor. As we've learned, beekeepers play a vital role in maintaining this delicate balance. However, the challenges facing bee populations and the apiculture industry are real and pressing. Pesticide use, habitat loss, and climate change threaten the survival of these essential pollinators. It is our collective responsibility to protect bees and support sustainable beekeeping practices. We can all make a difference by supporting local beekeepers, choosing organic and pesticide-free products, and educating ourselves about the importance of pollinators. Let us savor the sweetness of honey with a newfound appreciation for the bees and beekeepers who make it possible. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the fascinating world of honey production.